Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2017 Holden Colorado, stock model 6657. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,